back to a brand new video. I'm continuing off with my last video that I filmed, and I'm going to be revealing leather goods from Chanel that I did pick up recently. Now, I was not in the mood to purchase any more bags because I'm quite fulfilled in my bag department unless I found something really special, which came as a surprise because I wasn't really monitoring this collection for bags. This is from the Cruise collection of 2023, the one that was done in LA. I kind of saw a picture of this bag online on Instagram and I was kind of intrigued, but I wasn't sure about the size and the specs until I saw it in person while I was visiting Las Vegas for the Formula One race. So I didn't ask about this bag in my city, which they only had one of and apparently sold. So I didn't ask for it, so it wasn't available to me. But where I was, there were like 8. So I got to pick, and because there's just a lot of people coming in from all over the world, and they had ordered quite a bit of stock in Las Vegas to accommodate for that. Here it is. So I'm going to show you this box. It's got the Christmas packaging. Take a look. These beautiful charms, beautiful heart charm there. Isn't that stunning as a bow? Chanel really killed it with their holiday packaging this year. I see people getting very creative with this and creating buttons out of this and costume jewelry, brooches, you name it, Christmas tree decorations, even hair little decorations as well. Really nice. So I'm so happy that they did that this year. The last couple of years, the holiday packaging was okay, but this is quite hefty, and I have a feeling Chanel might regret it later because people are repurposing it to become, you know, other like costume jewelry. It feels like this, right? Like, who wouldn't? I don't blame anybody for converting that. But here's that ribbon, and here we have a giant box. But there's nothing in this box because I have the bag already outside, and I'll explain that story. But here's the box, giant box with the camellia charm, the other charm for the season. And then we have all this ribbon for this enormous box. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what the box is. And this is the bag right here. And some of you, this is probably quite polarizing. Some of you might not like it. Some of you may like it. It is pink, and of course, I love pink, and we had to do it. And look at this enormous, gargantuan, capacious, classic flap bag. Okay, so this is the XL flap, not the XXL. The XXL was the enormous, classic flap-looking bag from the airline collection a number of years ago. I kick myself for not buying it, but I think at the time I had good reasons not to. Probably there was a reason why I didn't buy it, but this is the size down from that. So on me right now in my frame, it doesn't look that huge, but it is huge. It really it really is. This is a single flap bag, and it's lined in gros grain, and in here you have a zip compartment and a flap right there to put all your items. And it's got these little hooks here where the chain kind of attaches, and you've got 4 grommets on the flap. So single flap, there's no feet on the bottom, quilted all the way around, so you can easily go from single strap to double strap. It's very fluid, very easy. There's a back pocket here, and of course with all XL flaps there's a zipper here. So what you could do is you can unzip it, and you could, I think it was already unzipped, hold on, let me unzip it now, there we go. And you can slide it on top of your carry-on handle and have an airport moment with this. So was there a need for a capacious bag? No, but I wanted a comically large classic flap. It's a conversation starter, stunning color in pink. This came in black, which is a safe option. I think it came in black. Hi, Poo Poo. Hi, Cuckoo. So it came in black. It also came in metallic gold, which I saw in Las Vegas. I got to try on. It also came in silver. So there are many variations of this bag. If you guys are inclined to look for it, I'm sure you can find it. This is from the 23C collection. If I have the item code, I will insert it in the description box down below. Somebody was asking me about dimensions. I've got a tape measure here, so let's take a look at the strap drop. So by double strap, if I go down, you're looking at a strap drop of 11.5 inches. And then if I go single strap, and I go mark my 0 here, and I come down all the way, this single strap drop of 21 inches. Yeah, that's correct. 21 inches. 21 inches when it's single strapped. You can wear a crossbody. I have a reel that I've done, and I have shared it in my YouTube shorts. I'll link it as well, and I'll put it up. And this is what it looks like. Really, really stunning. Now, regarding this box, okay, so when I originally picked it up, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be traveling. I don't have space for this box. Like, how am I going to put this box in my luggage? So I didn't take the box at first. I was like, I don't want the box. Then when the holiday packaging was out, I'm like, I want the box. So now I have the box. I don't have space for it, but I will make it work, okay? So there's no, I don't think there's nothing in here, I don't think, but actually, let me just, I heard a little thing. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Let's take this. So I got the camellia on this. So how many, I need to keep like a running tab of how many of these little ornaments, these little charms I got. I think I've got a few camellias and a few hearts now. So I will definitely turn it into something. I don't know what yet, but I will do something. So this is a big box. No, there's just tissue. There's nothing. Yeah, it's just tissue. That's it. Well, that's nice. I mean, it's nice that I got tissue. So yeah, that is the box for this enormous bag. So I can store it, you know, in here. What I usually like to do is nest boxes, but you can only do that to a certain extent because at some point it just gets crazy. The other item here, maybe I should do like a thumbnail. So yeah, here it is. This is considered an SLG, but I'll do a little thumbnail moment. So again, we have a camellia charm on the bag. Really, really nice with this gorgeous ribbon. And here we have this piece. I have not unboxed it, but I'm so happy that I have another heart. So here we have a box, and we're gonna open this up. Small leather good. And inside, sorry, I'm doing this standing. I forgot to bring my chair, so we'll bear with it. So we have a wristlet, okay? So this is a wristlet from the 23. Hi, Goo Goo. Hi, Boo Boo. This is from the crew. You know what? This is from winter, I think. But anyway, there's a magnetic closure, okay? And it's zipped. Zipped, and then you've got card slots, 3 on each side. There, okay? I can fit my phone in here, and there was actually a larger size for if you guys have a larger phone, and I'll insert a shot here. This is a, so you see here, there's this tab. I actually didn't see this then, but it's nice that I'm noticing it now. It's got a pop button here. Now, if you guys recall, I have that wristlet, the 19 wristlet, which did get reintroduced for cruise last year, but only there weren't many that were ordered. It has a nice chain strap. That's more of a casual wristlet, but this you can use as a clutch and possibly convert it into a little bag if you want to, because you do have this little loop. And if you want to weave through like a chain or something, if you want to, you could totally do that. But I really like this as like a more of a formal looking wristlet. So really, really stunning. I think I have mod shots of me trying this on, not the big one, but I have the side-by-side comparison if any of you are looking. I believe, yeah, this is from the 23K collection. And last but not least, I got a really nice holiday gift from Chanel. I'm so like floored because it's nice. I haven't received anything like this before. Like I've got like a scarf or whatnot, and you get birthday gifts. I mean, depends on your relationship with the boutique, and by relationship I mean your spending, right? Like that's what it comes down to. I've got some catalog photos from the Los Angeles cruise collection, and in here I think there's a picture of the jacket that I purchased, so that's kind of nice to have. I don't know where I'd put this, but it's nice to have. It's got these beautiful photos in there. Really nice little pink envelope. And this is a small leather good. So when this came in, I'm like, this is kind of heavy. So I had already opened it, and again, it came in the holiday packaging, which was really nice. So I'm gonna have to go soon because baby wants entertainment. But this is a small leather good, and if I open it up, I did get a little charm. Again, this is the camellia that I got with it. And here, it's the cutest thing. And here we have a little star. So this is really cute. I've never received anything like this before, and it's really nice. I think there were some other holiday ones. No, I saw. I saw on the gram. And it's a bigger, like, kind of card holder on chain. I think this is leather. I think it's leather. It's a I'm just got it, like, cause it's free, right? Like, cause I got it. I don't know if it is leather, but I think it's leather. It should be leather. But in here it's stuffed. It's tiny. It's tiny. Okay. Chanel made in Italy, and then in here it says with compliments of Chanel. So we can't resell this. Don't ever think about reselling this. But it's cute. Like I mean, I don't know what I would use it as. Like. Because the star points are a little like what you can't put anything really in these, right? Like they take up more space than the capacity would be of this bag. But like, you know, the zipper is like that. So they had a lot of these star bags for the collection. I wasn't really into them because of this whole zip business, right? Plus, I mean, I have the heart clutches, so I'm good with my little cutesy piece. But this is nice. Like, you could just kind of put it on like a little bag. It could be a little coin purse. It could be an AirPods case. Something like that, right? You know, something cute. You can attach it to like your pants, right? Like a belt loop or something like that. So really, really nice. I'm very, very grateful that I was sent this. I've never been sent like anything like this before. So yeah, really, really happy to receive this. So those are our leather goods for this collection, and I gotta go, guys. Baby, this is all the time that baby has allowed me to film. I will see you next time.